In this video, we'll explain how to top up your account on Portal with USDT. Log in on Portal and click the Top Up button on the top right corner. Choose Tether USDT Transfer. Read the info message carefully. You'll get 3 wallets for making payments for 1 day. They will expire 24 hours after the request. Do not try to use the wallet address you got on your previous payment. Click on the Authorized Platform dropdown and choose your platform from the list. Only platforms in the list are accepted for payment. Payments from any other source are prohibited. You'll get the wallet address and its representation as a QR code. Make the payment, go back to the portal, and click on the Continue button. On this page, you'll need to submit your payment details. If you cannot submit details immediately, you can come back later and choose the Step 2 tab. You'll see a list of open payment processes. You can identify them by wallet addresses. Fill in the details only for the exact wallet the payment was made to. Put in your transaction hash. Fill in the amount of payment. Add in your ways of contact, either phone number or email, for faster communication in case there's some kind of error. Attach the payment confirmation file and click on Continue. Carefully read the message in the pop-up window. Click the checkbox and click on the OK button. You'll get a success message. Click on the refresh icon next to the balance and you'll see the update. For more detailed information, you can navigate to the Refills tab and find all the refills you've made. Let's see what happens if you mix up wallets and submit details to the wrong one. We'll use the wrong transaction hash and details from another payment. Fill in the input fields. Attach the confirmation file, and click Continue. You'll get an error message with an explanation.